get to know your name. Then you caught my eye like a shooting star. Could you guess that I was ashamed? I really didn't know who you were. Yeah, I wanted to tell you something, but I didn't know how. When I sit next to you, my legs start to shake. When I'm talking to you, my words start to break. You're so out of my league. How could a girl like you, like a guy like